solve this equation first, distribute 3 to all the terms in the bracket. 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 4 is 12 is equal to 21. Now we move 12 to the right hand side and 3x will be equal to 21. 12 is coming to the right is minus 12. Now 3x will be equal to 9. Divide both sides by 3 to isolate 8x. So that x now will be equal to 3. Let's try another problem 2. Minus 2 open bracket x minus 5 is equal to 16. The same thing, we distribute minus 2 to all the times in the bracket. Now I have minus 2x minus 2 times minus 5 will give us plus 10 equal to 16. Now minus 2x will be equal to 16. We move 10 to the right hand side, becomes minus 10. 16 minus 10 will give us minus 2x equal to 6. Now divide both sides by minus 2 to isolate x. Our x will be equal to minus 3. Let's pick another problem. Number 3. You have 2 open bracket x plus 6 is equal to 4 open bracket x minus 2. The same thing goes here. We distribute to all the terms in the bracket, so we are going to have 2x plus 2 times 6 is 12 equal to 4 times x is 4x. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Now we collect like terms. We're going to have 2x, 4 coming to the left will be minus 4x equal to minus 8. 12 coming to the right will become minus 12. And then 2x minus 4x will give us minus 2x, which is equal to minus 8 minus 12 is minus 20. So we divide both sides by minus 2, and our x will be equal to 10. Now here are 2 problems for you to try out. 4x plus 2 minus 5 equal to 11. If you do it correctly, your answer should be 2. Number 2, 5x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 10. And if you do it correctly, your answer should be 5. Bye.